Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video we are gonna draw Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer. So let's get started.
In the still of the night, gazing up at the sky, when the stars begin to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes, thought there was nothing to find. I started searching for a reason, just like the world embraces. In the silence, we all are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the crowd starts to light, you run right through. I'll be there to help you shine. Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the neat tears fall of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you. But tonight the stars align. When the